Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to my itinerary. Today I am taking you guys with me on a little adventure. I'm going to go check out this gelato spot. This is supposed to be the best gelato spot in Lisbon with my friend Tilts. I'm actually running kind of late right now, but we're going to see if it's good or not. Alright, one tip that I want to give you guys is if you're coming here, wear some comfortable shoes. Don't come here with slippery, non-grip shoes because you will fall. I fell and busted my ass many times on this cobblestone. Especially if it's slippery, then it's like super slick. I don't know why Americans can't walk on this cobblestones. I've heard people that, you know, are from here, Portuguese people, they can make it happen, but I don't know why Americans can't seem to get right with these cobblestones. Look how beautiful this city is. Alright, so I did just miss this train to Castro Sofre, and now I'm gonna have to wait on another one, which is fine, but I think it comes in. Usually the metro runs like every 46 minutes, but I'm not sure about this one. Looks like it says 10 minutes. I don't know why though. Okay, so some of the easiest ways or modes of transportation here to get around Lisbon is not only walking, is also the tram, the metro, and the bus. And we also have a ferry here. So there's different modes of transportation, so there's always somewhere for you to get around. Also there's Uber, Bolt, and Free Now, which are just, you know, taxi cab services. But I noticed here, whenever I say I'm going to take a cab, people freak out. They're like, no, don't take a cab, take a Bolt, take an Uber. And I'm just like, but that is a cab though. Like, when I say taxi, I feel like those are the people that are going to like scam you and rip you off. But if I say cab, to me, that's just, you're taking a cab, you know. But those are just different modes that you can get around. They're pretty safe, they're pretty affordable. I do like Bolt better, but also Free Now gives you discounts. Every time you take a ride, they will give you a discount for a future date. So those are some of your options. Alright, so I just got off at Castro Sofre, and now I need to catch a bus, which I hope will be arriving soon, or at least wait for me to get there so I can get there right now. I'm almost on time. I thought I was going to be earlier, but life happens sometimes. So I'm at the bus stop right now, and right behind me is the Time Out Market, and you can go there and there's like so much food there you can have. They have like wine, they have like little vendors there. So at Castro Sofre, the Time Out Market is right here, and definitely worth checking it out if you are here in Lisbon. Also, the train is here too at Castro Sofre that you could take towards Belém and out towards that way. Alright, so I just got off the bus and now I'm walking. It says like a minute walk. I know Tooks is there waiting for me. She already texted me. But the bus is super easy. You get on, you flash your little card, and then you just sit and wait. When I first took the bus for the first time, I didn't know if I had to scan it twice. I think that when I was in London, you scan it when you get on, you scan it when you get off. I can't remember. It might have been a different country. But here you only scan it one time. Alright, so I met up with my friend Tooks. She's right here. It smells good.
Do you see my panda eyes from my goggles?
No, you're not in the video.
Oh, okay. You're
in front of the video.
All right,
the video is facing me. So my friend just got done swimming. She's trying to become a professional surfer, and no? Okay. So she's trying to become a professional surfer. So she's doing swimming classes right now, and I 100% support her decision to surf. Okay.
You can also step back and catch it from the distance.
Okay, so this spot is not a sit-in. I guess you just grab and go. I didn't know that, but it's really cool because across the street from where we're at, there are seats. No, I think that's like where they no seats inside. So across the street right here, there's like a little park and a bench. So we're just gonna go there and eat. And I brought some card games, and we're just gonna, you know, chill and relax.
How many can I fit in a cone for maybe?
We recommend a maximum of 3 because there's a risk of falling.
Okay.
Right?
All right, here we go. So for 2 of these, it was $6.80, and I'm about to start making this. Oh my god, it's so good. I can't even see right now. It's so bright out. So if you're gonna be eating this, you gotta eat really quick. Like, it was already falling. This is already like half on one side. This is three scoops, a medium, and it was six euros and some change for 2 of these. So definitely well worth it. I feel like in the States this would have been like $15 or something, like something crazy like that. One thing that's great about Lisbon is these beautiful green areas that you could just stop by and have the most beautiful view of the Tagus River.
Mira duro.
Oh my gosh. My friend that is not going to be seen on this vlog. Look how beautiful this is. It's very open. So much over here. And there's like a hospital thing right here too. Hey you guys, thanks for watching my vlog. I'm actually just getting in. It's a little bit dark out, so hopefully when you're in town, you guys will come visit that gelato spot and check it out. Maybe check out some of the park and all the beautiful views that are in Lisbon. I will catch you guys on the next vlog. Bye.